Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Streamio. First, you'll want to visit the official Streamio website to download the application. It's crucial to select the correct version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once downloaded, simply run the installer. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions, which typically involve clicking next a few times and agreeing to the terms. This initial step is quick, usually taking less than 2 minutes, and gets you ready for the next stage of your Streamio experience. After installation, the next step is to create your Streamio account or login. You have the flexibility to sign up using your email address, which allows for personalized settings and synchronization across devices. Alternatively, you can opt for a guest account if you prefer not to register. Once you've entered your details, simply log in. Take a moment to explore the intuitive user interface. You'll find categories like Board, Discover, and Library clearly laid out, making navigation quite simple and user-friendly. Boss battles are a significant part of the challenge. The key to victory is carefully observing each boss's attack patterns. They will always reveal an opening after certain moves, allowing you to strike with Crash's spin attack or a well-timed jump. Every boss has a unique strategy, so don't expect a one-size-fits-all approach. Practice is crucial. Memorizing their sequences and attack tells will make these encounters much more manageable and rewarding. With your add-ons installed, you're all set to enjoy a vast world of entertainment. Use the search bar to find your favorite movies, TV series, or even live channels. Once you select a title, Streamio will present you with available streams from your installed add-ons. Simply pick one and start watching. Don't forget to explore the settings menu, where you can customize playback options, subtitles, and other preferences to tailor your viewing experience exactly how you like it. Happy streaming!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.